BMW cars versus JDM cars. Man, look at this pulling in. Oh my God. Inside of my straight pipe BMW M4, and today we got called out by a group of JDM owners that are hosting a car meet, and the theme is JDM cars versus BMW. So you know we have a full squad of BMW M cars ready to go. We're actually on our way to link up with the first group right now. Tonight's video should be pretty insane. We have a lot of cars lined up for today's drive, probably around 10 cars. That being said, let's pull up to the gas station and go from there. So here you guys join us at the gas station, the mobile one. We have the first part of the squad already set up, E92 M3. This one's a 6-speed manual, those nice and performance seats. We got Kevin's M4 GTS, and again, he's got the roll cage in the back, towel on the seat, keeping the thing clean. Just look at the wing, it's up on the highest setting as well. Diffuser, we have my M4 right here looking good, mineral white, and we have a nice M2 competition right here in Sakura orange, looking really good in the sunlight. Gotta say, I love the M2 comp in this color. We also added the LED diffuser on the rear. Carbon fiber really changes the game and the look on the car. So loud, the highway is just right here. You never know, you might be able to see a nice car. We're in the center of Hollywood. We're gonna be able to get these cars on the road, get into some action before we enjoy the event, and we should be able to do some more driving after the event. So as you can see, we are back on the road. We got our nice group together. So as you can see, the M4 is parked up. We're at the first location. We have a nice assortment of cars here, including this purple M4 F82 with a massive APR wing on it. If you look closer, there's LED lights on the wing itself. This thing also has FI exhaust, same diffuser as my car, BBS wheels. This thing is slammed, probably air suspension. But man, check this thing out from the front. That looks awesome. Next to that, nice E92 as well, BBSs. The theme of this event is BMW cars versus JDM cars. So you can see there's a nice couple Evos right here. See the cars that we were just rolling with. We got a few more M cars joining us tonight for the drive, including Enrique's G80 M3 competition. It looks like he added the carbon fiber front grills on the front, which I absolutely love, especially on the darker colors. These cars have really grown on me. Then you can see his interior is nice, orange and black. uniform with the rest of the spec. This is also a nice clean F82 as well, next to a Le Mans blue, maybe Monaco blue, E92 M3. Then we have a lot of white M's over here, all white. You can see here's some of the cars we're competing with tonight. JDM, I'm not sure what this one is. Is that a GR86? You can see a couple more JDM cars over here as well. Wow, it's a 4-door Skyline. WRX. Is this a Type R Civic? I don't know, guys. I think the BMW is going to win this one tonight. There's even more M's pulling up. But my eyes just keep going back to this purple F82. Jesus, look at the spec of the F80 M3. I think this is Atlantis blue. Black BBS is on it as well. Wow, this has got to be one of my favorite F80 colors I've ever seen. See, it's also a 6-speed manual as well. Man, this thing is beautiful. Got the first cop of the night, just here for coffee, he said. I must say, it's interesting to see the two cultures clash. Euro, mainly BMW M, and also the JDM cars as well. You see someone over there wiping his car down, making it look good. Man, clean F82. Another white one done join the crew. Got some more M cars pulling through. A Dakar yellow E36 M3 with a nice wing on it. This thing looks good. E92 M3 as well. Another F80 and one behind that. This one's a wide body kit. Again, you guys are gonna have to help me out with what these are called. I'm not too familiar with the JDM market. That is pretty nice though. The first Porsche of the evening is a 3RS. Look at that. RX-7, all white, super clean, looking good. White on white. We'll save all the JDM cars. This is probably one of my favorites. I mean, I don't know, guys. BMW's coming out hard tonight. There's a G80 M3. Right here's the E92 in red. The color on this one is really nice. White wheels. Those old school RX-7. Ooh, look at the Evo. Now this is nice. This is also one of my favorite JDM cars. There's two of them pulling in, a silver one and a black one. I like that black one though. Man, look at this pulling in. Wide body, I think it's a BRZ. Man, look at the rear end on this car. That is pretty nice. Man, look at this shot. GTR and another RX-7, a red one this time. Right-hand drive. Oh, man. This is the first Benz of the night as well. C63S. That's looking good. We got a nice auction yellow. Look at that. Man, this could be the next car. F90 comp. This one's Alpine white. That's really nice. Another GTR. Okay, at this point, the JDM cars are showing up pretty strong. I don't know, man. It's getting a little bit more competitive. I must say, when the GTR is done properly, it looks really good. Like this black GTR, stealth spec, got the right wheel and tire setup on it as well. This is also a nice old school classic WRX 2-door. You don't often see the coupes at all. Man, that's pretty clean. Look at the seats on this F32. Another JDM with the 350Z drag slicks on it. Some more JDMs over here tucked off. It's pretty eerie with the lighting, pretty cool. Damn, that's a GT3 RS sound like that. So everybody's starting to head out. Everybody's starting to cut up a little bit, getting the exhaust going. But check out this E39. Probably a 540. You got the M5 wheels though. It's an M6 coupe with a massive wing on it. Wow. There's another M4, another wing on it as well. The Tome exhaust, LED diffuser. Wow. There's hella people here. We are back inside the M4, leaving the meet. We're gonna grab some Raising Cane's because chicken sounds really good right now. Dang. Oh my god. That sounds incredible. E92 M3. Oh, we are back on the road and it feels good, sounds good. This E92 M3 sounds phenomenal, guys. Holy crap. Man, listen to these sounds. All these M cars at night. Downtown LA. That is the 1,000 horsepower M4 just went by. That sounded incredible. Oh my God. Oh, you see the flames? Oh my God. Huge flames coming out this M4. Wow. Listen to that, man. Oh my God. Oh, that AMG sounds nice. Nice and deep. Oh my God. Pulling into the Raising Cane's, looking good. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. As soon as we pull up at the Raising Cane's, sounds like we got a rev battle. Oh my God. Yeah, it's active, man. It's time for some chicken. Kind of walk through some of the cars that joined us on the drive. C63S AMG sedan, F80 M3, E92 M3, M4 GTS,
Another C63 over there as well. Damn, even a GTR. This is nice too. The F90 M5 Comp in white. Another GTR, and then you see my M4 parked up next to E92 M3. And they also have a nice tuned up M2, another F80 over there as well. Man, so we just ate. We're checking out this M4 that has 1,050 horsepower. So upgraded turbos, intakes, it's running meth. It's the full ordeal here. I mean, just look at all of this inner workings of this engine. This is insane. He's also running black diamond wheels, so the night's kind of dying down. I think we're gonna hop back inside the M4, push out on the road a little bit, and we're gonna end today's video.